and this is our command box. Okay, with the help of this command box we can get these all tools directly. Okay, first of all we have to learn all the shortcut of the command. I will put in the description all the shortcut of the command. Okay, for example, I have to draw a line, then simply you have to just click on L and enter. You will get the line command and you can draw a line. Okay, you don't have to take from here. If you want to draw a circle, then just enter CI and enter, and you will be able to draw a circle. Okay, so with the help of this command you can bring all the command at once. Okay, you can erase, you can trim all. Okay, these are the mode of the workspace. Okay, this is very important for drawing. Okay, so you have to learn all these command carefully. For example, this is our drawing, and this is known as grid. For example, if we click on this, then it will display a grid on this workspace. After that, if we click on this, then the grid will be disappear. So this is our grid mode. Okay, so I don't need grid, so I will uncheck it. After that, you have to learn this ortho mode. Okay, so ortho mode is very important. For example, I am drawing a line. For example, I am drawing a line. Okay, so I am taking line from here, so I am taking line. Now if I want to make a line perpendicular to this line, then easily we can draw like this. Okay, this is perpendicular. Wherever I will move this cursor, the line will be perpendicular to this line. Okay, either in upside or either in downside. But now I am making it off. Okay, if I make it off, then what will happen? If I want to draw perpendicular line, then it will not suggest me suggest me to make perpendicular. It will not help me to indicate in perpendicular. It will only show a green line due to another mode. Okay, so ortho, if I on it, then it will automatically track this ortho mode. Okay, now after that you have to know is object snap. This icon is very important. Okay, so this is very important because, for example, I am drawing from this corner. Okay, this corner of this line, then it will indicate a green box, rectangular box, you can see here. Okay, this mode helps to indicate the end of this line. Okay, if I want to draw a line from mid of this line, then how will I track? So just put here, then just put the cursor here, then you will see a green marking. So this is the midpoint of this line. If I turn it off, then what will happen? If I turn it off, then we cannot predict, we cannot indicate the midpoint of this line nor the end point of this line. Okay, so if I turn it on, then what will happen? We can track the end point and also the midpoint of this line. Okay, so if you are a civil engineer, then this much command and this much interface will be sufficient for you. Okay, so further commands and setting we will see in the next lesson.